important to address the issue of rape culture because it's so manifest in every part of our everyday lives, and yet it often goes unnoticed.
If a girl says no, she probably means it. And if you're man enough, then you should learn how to control that wiener of yours. Blurred lines. When it's a no, it's a no. And you should know it. Respect their freedom. Respect their rights. Respect your women.
Rape culture affects me as far that whenever I told people about the story how a married man started to touch me inappropriately on a bus, the question about what I was wearing and let me feel guilty with that question and just starting to blame me for this action.
Rape culture is my female friends not feeling like the administration will have their back if they do come forward.
Rape culture is being taught from a very young age that you shouldn't go out walking late in the evening because somebody might attack you and it will then be your fault.
The rape culture continues to protect all women from the sexual violence and violence in common. Nowadays, a lot of women and girls live in the fear of rape. We shouldn't keep silent, we must protect them.
I'm from an Eastern country. I believe that lack of education and awareness is the main root cause of rape culture. No matter where you're from, it's never the victim's fault.
Women are always fighting to protect themselves. From a young age, it doesn't matter if you're from a country in Africa or here in the States, we're taught of how to approach men, how to talk to men, how to dress, and most importantly, to never let our guard down.
Rape culture starts in the very moment when you fail to talk about it. If you're a guy out there, I beg you to talk about these issues and create discussions and bring your friends up to really think about what's right and what's wrong. The more we talk about it, the easier it is to solve these issues and have a more fair and better society for all genders.
Rape culture is real. We asked people all around the world for their comments on this issue so that we could show you how universal the problem is. #Bloodlines is a social media campaign focused on raising awareness around the issue of rape culture and consent. It is time that we take a stand so that we can create a future in which society is no longer burdened by this issue. So join us by telling us your thoughts and following us on social media.